Hey guys, Jordan here with our special double feature review. So we're going to start with reviewing this beautiful 100% whole wheat bread, and we're going to review this by reviewing this beautiful Sunbeam toaster. So we're going to test it in three ways. We're going to put the bread in on the maximum setting, the medium setting, and the lowest setting, and see how the bread comes out. Let's check this out. The highest right now, which is 7. Let's see what's 7. Alright guys, so it's been a couple minutes, and here we are again, and as you can see, the toast is black and unedible. We're not to a good start with this toaster, because I mean, that doesn't even look edible.
Eat it.
Tastes like burnt toast, guys. I might be having a stroke, but we'll find out with the medium setting. So 2 more slices. The best part is I'm not even hungry for toast. Alright guys, so we're back again, and as you can see, the toast is actually edible this time. It's actually not looking too bad. It's a little bit hot, like it just came out of the toaster, but it's a little bit plain, but it tastes edible, and I'm probably not dying anymore. So now we're gonna go, hold on to your hats. So we're going for the final test right now. We're gonna put on the lowest settings and see how it comes out. You won't believe what happens next.
Yeah, burrito. I mean, what?
Alright, we're back here again, guys. It's just gonna be crazy. You're not gonna believe this. So I just put this in for the lowest setting, and if you look, it's pretty much raw toast. It's not even edible. Like, so, I don't know what to say about that, but it's obvious that the lowest setting is completely unusable. So, all in all, I'm gonna say that this toaster is probably a 1 out of 3.5. It succeeded one of the tests, which is the medium setting. It's the only one that's actually edible. I went through a whole half loaf of bread, and I got nothing from it. So this has been Reviews with Jordan. Thanks for watching.